Start.
नमस्कार। आज पहली बार हमारे लपरादा डिस्ट्रिक्ट या लपरादा जिला में प्राइवेट स्कूल एजुकेशन वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन से एक सोशल सर्विस कंडक्ट किया गया है। इसका मेन मकसद है टू मार्क द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द 76th इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑफ आवर नेशन। टुडे दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट एवर private school association of Leparada district has conducted a social service. We have intimated our learned DC Leparada and she directed us to clean the new market Basar. So in respect of respecting his direction and her order, today we have conducted this entire area and cleaned up this market area. This day we are very much thankful to the public who have cooperated us, the DC office and the urban department. They have provided us vehicles to carry away the dust and all the waste materials. And this very whole private school welfare association has been founded just a year back. The mentor is our advocate Iken Riva, ex-minister, and all the private school chairmen and chairpersons are the advisors of this association. And presently we have a body. Our Basar sir is the chairman of this association, and our Hengobam sir is the vice chairman of this association, and all are the executive members. He is the admin and he is the finance secretary. Doctor is the finance secretary, and some are the academic in charges. In this manner, we have carried out the task which has been entrusted to us this morning. So we are determining to do such work even in the days to become. We want to render even a small thing for the betterment of our society through a private school welfare association. So it's our sincere appeal to the public of Leparada district to cooperate the private school in terms of their activity, in terms of the upliftment of the education, and in terms of any emergencies comes up, we will expect the help from the public. So this much I just want to share through this media that there is all private school association existing in the Leparada district, and we have a noble gesture and noble mindset to carry forward a work for the betterment of our society. I just want to say thank you to all the private school, even our Sanjeev sir, he is principal of Riva Memorial School, all the way from Padu. He joined us this morning in this social service day, and at the same time so many other people have cooperated us. I just want to say thank you to them. This much only. I just share the ideas and the motto and the purpose of carrying out our social service. Thank you so much.